Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to use the title command in Minecraft. Make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you won't miss an important step or information, and without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open the chat window. So the easiest way to run a command in Minecraft is within the chat window. And the game control to open the chat window depends on the version of the Minecraft that you are playing with. So this is the guide right here on the different keys or buttons on how you can access the chat window in your Minecraft. You can just go ahead and check that on here. Then the next what you'll need to do is now to type the command. So I am going to show you an example on how you can use the command by to display a title. So in this example, we display a title screen to the player called Dig Minecraft that says the end is near in bold italicized red text with the following command. So here's the following command right here. So what you'll need to do is to just simply type the command in the chat window, and as you are typing, you will see the command appear in the lower left corner of the game window. And then after that, just press enter key to run the command. And after that, once that sheet has been entered, the title screen will appear on the player screen. And you will see the message title command successfully executed. So it is this right here. It says title command successfully executed. So it will appear in the lower left corner of the game window to indicate that the title screen has been successfully displayed. So that's it for this video. That's how you can use the title command in your Minecraft. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.